Hello dear fans. Who invented the touchscreen phone? The touchscreen, as a touch-sensitive device, was introduced to mass development in the United States. At first, this new technology was only used in computer systems and graphics tablets in the 1980s. The very first touchscreen phone was invented in the USA in 1993. It was IBM Simon. Instructions. Step 1. The first touchscreen IBM Simon was rather bulky in design and was shaped like a brick. History has not retained the name of the designer. It is only known that Simon was an experimental brainchild. Engineers from Mitsubishi Electric took part in the development under the leadership of Frank Canova, who presented the model to the world on the pages of the popular USA Today. The phone was equipped with elementary functions of a mobile phone, such as a calculator, clock, and address book. Touch control in it was not initially provided for fingers, although it was feasible, but for most operations it was more convenient to use a stylus. Simon cost about $1,000, which was a considerable amount at the time. Despite all the innovativeness of this invention, it did not receive distribution, and soon the company itself ceased to engage in mobile development. Step 2. The following references to touchscreen phones are found in Japan. In 1998, Sharp released a smartphone. Another attempt to apply a touch control system in mobile devices was the Alcatel One Touch-Com model. It is said that its creation was under the control of Etienne Fouquet, who since 1990 has led the technical departments and the most promising development directions. However, these models did not receive due attention, and for some time they were forgotten about touchscreen phones. Step 3. The beginning of the third millennium was also marked by innovations in the field of mobile technologies. Touchscreen phones are actively developing. Global companies like HTC and Nokia release their own, more and more advanced models. The first touchscreen phones used resistive technology. Its idea is to measure the change in resistance between the screen and another surface inside the phone, located under the screen. When pressed, the distance between them decreases and the resistance changes. This system has its drawbacks such as image distortion and non-compact design. In addition to resistive, capacitive, induction, infrared and strain gauge technologies are also used for sensor devices. Step 4. A new achievement in the empire of touchscreen mobile phones is the legendary product from Apple, the iPhone. This product was introduced to the world in 2007 and has gained incredible popularity. In addition to Steve Jobs' original ideas and creative design solutions, the Apple team was able to implement many features and implement new technologies in the new phone. The most revolutionary was the multi-touch system, which implies the simultaneous control of several fingers, which was not previously provided in any smartphone. Step 5. World-renowned companies are currently engaged in the production of touchscreen phones, continuing to improve their design and functionality, thanks to which smartphones have confidently taken a leading position among other mobile devices. Thanks for watching.